Okay, so this is the second example on solving a pair of simultaneous equations by the elimination method. All right, so the idea is to eliminate one of the variables. And in the first example, we could easily see which variable could be eliminated. And just looking at it, we had a negative y and a positive y. Remember, we looked at it as I have a dollar, that's a positive y, and I use the dollar or I lose it. Okay, that way we have 1 minus 1, 1y minus 1y, and we got rid of that. Then we substitute it. Okay, so now let's look at this. None, as we look at them, we're looking for two things: different signs, same coefficient. Okay, here as it stands, nothing. The m's don't satisfy that, and the p's don't satisfy that. So we're gonna do a little tweaking, just a little tweaking. Let's look at this. If we multiply the first equation by 2, we get a 2p at the top. Okay, now keep in mind, we want same coefficient, but different signs. Okay, so therefore, I'm going to multiply this by negative 2 and then rewrite. So I'm going to have 6m. What didn't I do? I didn't multiply. 6 2s are 12. And we're multiplying a negative multiplied by positive. So we have negative 12m. Negative 2 times p minus 2p is equal to negative 2 times 18, and that's going to be a what? Negative 36. Okay, that's good so far? All right, and we can just bring that down the second equation. We have 5m plus 2p is equal to 22. Now, let me get something out your head. There's no rule that says the negative has to be at the top. The top and the positive sign at the bottom, okay? Just happened that way in both questions. All right. Now we can basically add these together. So we're going to add these two equations. So negative 12m. I owe somebody $12 and I pay them $5. What's left? I still owe them, right? And I owe them 7. That's all. I owed 2. I paid 2. What happens? They cancel out. So we can just cross this out for now. And then I owe $36 and I paid $22. So that means I only owe $14. Think of negative and positive as owing and paying. All right. So this 7m is what? Negative 7 times m is equal to negative 14. So we can divide both sides by negative 7. All right. So negative 7m over negative 7 is equal to negative 14 over negative 7. Negative 7 into itself goes once. So we're left with the m and the negative signs divided out as well. Negative divided by negative is positive. I'll put that at the side. Negative divided by negative is equal to a positive. Okay, positive answer. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So now that we know that m is equal to 7, we can substitute m equals 7 in any of the other equations. So let's just do that in the corner here. So substitute m equals 7 in, I'm going to use equation 1. Why? It's easier. Less coefficients to deal with, or smaller coefficients to deal with. So we have 6, and in place of m, I'm going to put the 7 plus p is equal to 18. 6 7s are 42 plus p is equal to 18. So keep the p by itself, and we have 18 minus 42. And I hope somebody has a calculator, but let me try some long way. 18 and 2 is 20. 22. So that's 24, negative 24. So the answer, M is equal to 7 and P is equal to negative 24.